Hi, good morning. Hey, everybody thinking that every month or every week we need to save some amount or grab some income in other sources. But everybody is failed basing on our thought process and where we are concentrated on the budgeting. So we are in a position to acquire the budgeting on every aspects of doing the things and evaluate our financial position to the next level, but nobody is in a position to grab and attain that position. So here I'm going to give one small information and exact the reason behind why we are not able to uh, do the budgeting on weekly basis or monthly basis or annual basis. Because if you have a plans to acquire such informations, definitely you can able to grab the things what is best in our life. So budgeting for beginners. So I'm going to reveal the information about budgeting for beginners. So what is the most priority and important in budgeting is why the budget is important. So we need to understand that the budget is the main core for getting anything financially good. So if you want to attain something in anything, we need to have a information about budget in a right way and how we need to evolve the aspects of budgets wherever possible chances we have. So the budgeting is more important because we need to analyze the scenarios and prospects, what are all the things we need to grab and need to involve in a day-to-day basis. So that's why the budgeting is more important, so that we need to acquire the knowledge and execute that knowledge into the daily practice manner in budgeting. So these are the most important factor, the things where we need to analyze our mind share towards the budgeting of every month and every annual basis, so that we can able to have a clear picture, so that we have a these things to be done. Suppose we are getting every month salary of 1 lakh rupee, so how we need to manage that 1 lakh rupee basing on our all expenses, like we have a credit card bills in every month, and we have a grocery payments to be made to our household purposes. If any corporate employees will be there or any individual persons will be there, they are paying their rents on annual daily basis. So what is the major cost you are incurred for the particular month, you need to write down. That is, what is the grocery expenses, what is the rent expenses, what is the credit card payment expenses, and total other allied expenses like electricity bill, and total if you have a car, the fuel bill, and if you are using the transportation of anything, just write down the separate in Excel sheet. So this format I'll attach in the end of the video. If you see, if you will be in the end of the video. So please concentrate on the budget, so that definitely we will achieve. The mind share has to be set first, so that we can do anything possible scenarios of budgeting. And second point is, write down in a journal of all the expenses. So just now in the first point itself I given the information what are all the things to be note down. So here we need to have separate journal, like first point electricity bill payment, second point credit card payments, third point if you have any loans, the total loans payments, and number 4 total grocery payments, and vegetable payments, and if you have a children school children per month payments if anything is there, and you have a transportation fees, everything, and you have any other allied expenses every week or every month, you are going for any luxury purpose, like if you are going for any movies or for any restaurants. So how much of what all expenses will be there, you need to write down in the separate journal, so that you have a clear picture what we are keeping that particular earned amount on a monthly basis, where we are we are giving the expenses to the particular segment. So we need to be cautious about the write down of every expenses incurred during the month. So these are all the total scenarios of writing the journal of total expenses is also the most important point while doing the budget. And also the third point is definite plans. So while you are doing a budgeting, the plan has to be very clear, the plan has to be very nurtured way, so that the specific end goal has to be keep, and it has to be evolved in such a way where we can analyze the things in a right way, so that we can manage our monthly expenses and involve our expenses are for the benefit of ours and our family. So whether you are a salary person or a business person, you have to be in a position to have a budget every month, so that you need to stick on that particular budget, so that you have a great prospects, days, nurturing budget of plan acquiring to be gathered. So please consider and have a knowledge about the budgeting and gaining of that particular budget aspects, how we need to do, why I need to do, and what are all the major scenarios to be acquired, and plan accordingly. So definite plans. Example, you just write down the suppose this month at any cost I need to save 10,000 rupees aside in my emergency fund, whatsoever the reason. Suppose I am getting a 1 lakh rupees salary every month, so you keep 10,000 rupees aside, and you just think that 90,000 only is your salary, and plan every expenses within that 90,000 rupees only. So have a definite plan. And the fourth point is self-reliance. The self-reliance is, so we need to indulge and acquire our brain in such a way where we need to have that information of budgeting levels and expenses levels to be gathered and managed in a right way, and you should be in a position to mingle the expenses along with your family expenses, whether it is individual expenses or your other any luxury expenses will be there. You just manage that expenses in a right way, so that you have to know the information where the particular amount, whether it is 100 rupees or 1000 rupees or 5000 rupees or 20,000 rupees, whatsoever the amount in a monthly where you are expending expense is going to be there, that amount you need to be analyze and rethink, so that you know where you are investing, wherever you are spending the amount, and is there any possibility is there to reduce that expenses, so that you can able to manage anything. So self-reliance is also is a major aspects in a budgeting. And fifth point is accurate amount of savings. So accurate amount of savings is, example, if you are managing the money and already budgeted your amount and already have a thought, I need to save this much of amount in a month, then what should I need to save for any important works arises, like if any medical emergency will be there, or any in house any parents expenses will be there anyway, you need to give to your, if you are suppose you are working in a Bangalore, Hyderabad, or any other location, your parents are on another location, so you need to give the some amount to your parents. That is our minimum responsibility as a son, as a daughter. So that's also one of the expenses. That is also one of the most important expenses. So you need to keep aside that amount and think that you have to be saved for your family purpose as well as for your own criterias. Wherever the expenses will be there, you need to evolve your main gathered expenses. You need to write down and work on that particular expenses, so that you know the exact amount where I am spending, what I am spending, and how much I can save this month. So that is also the accuracy to be evolved and efficiency to be there for our known expenses. So accurate amount of savings is also the most important aspect. Next, think about the extra income. And everybody or salary person and a business persons, so all the salary persons have a fixed income. Suppose 1 lakh rupee, again I am giving the example with 1 lakh rupee because everybody can understand, that's why I am giving the information about 1 lakh rupee only. So 1 lakh rupee earning per month, and as per the first point I given, as per the second and third and the previous points, how we need to write, and what are all expenses to be evolved, which part we need to reduce and where we need to reduce, we have analyzed and we have write down in the journal, so that we know the things, what is the most important aspect of incomes what we are generating and every month. So we need to think that we need to segregate our time for thinking of our next level career. So that if an engineer will be there, or any professional will be there, or any self-employed person is there, or business person is there, or any investor. So these are all the persons having their own aspects of generating of an incomes, but where we are, how much we are savings, and how we need to deal that particular amount in a right way is also the major part. So we have to be nurtured our expenses and budget in such a way where we have to be gathered the particular aspect of characteristics of extra income. Suppose you think that you are going to generate the next level income or not, you have a skill of generating of the extra income or not. You just see the analysis of how to generate the income in the next coming videos. Just I am giving the aspects here. So please think about how I can manage the present situation, whether I can generate extra income compared to my present level or not. You just think it out and have a plan for acquiring the new another income. So these are the also major aspects of budgeting, and every aspect is there, but most important factor is willpower. So if we have a willpower, everything can be possible. So we need to think that if I am getting 1 lakh rupee or 2 lakhs rupees or 10,000 rupees, whatsoever the monthly income will be there, we need to have strong willpower stating that I need to obey and I need to abide my expenses within the stipulated amount what I fixed in the first week of month, whatever, whether it is a salary person or self-employed or a businessman, whatsoever the business you are doing, whatsoever the profession you are, you have to write the business total expenses and budgeting on every week basis, so that you know where you are going and where your expenses are going, and is there any possibility is there to save the money in a right way, where the another expenses like other unnecessary expenses are going in any way. So think about that level, so that definitely you can able to gather the every particular information about budgeting. So if you have a willpower and abide about willpower and have a strong belief stating that I can and I will, definitely you can able to manage your expenses in a right way and live a fruitful life for your monthly basis, whether you are salary, a business person or investor. So willpower is also is a major important factor in budgeting. And the next 8th point is habit. What it is meaning of habit? So we have already discussed about why the budget is important, and how we need to write the journal of all expenses you are incurred in a month, and what definite plans you have to be prepared in a monthly basis, and how we need to self-reliance about our prospects of generating of a budgeting and an income, and what are the accurate amount we need to save in a monthly basis, and also the how we need to generate the extra income basing on our skills and abilities, and also why our willpower is the most important factor of generating all the above things. And so these are all the major things. And the habit, every month, every day we need to have a knowledge and a habit of seeing. You mentioned one, anybody, all our tech savvy persons are there nowadays. So have one Google sheet and write down your expenses. Already I told you as per the journal, and just see that what are all expenses the amounts are going. Suppose the first month, first day, 1 lakh rupee your account has been credited of salary for the month of April. So you just write down in the sheets 1 lakh rupee received. Then in the next expenses, first foremost, if you are in a rented house, rent payment 10,000 rupees. Next, other expenses at house, just write down that electricity bill, internet bill, car fuel bill, or any EMIs, what are all the things are there, you just write down and have a formula, total expenses minus your salary, what you got. So the total amount, suppose your expenses is 50,000 or 60,000, the remaining 40,000 is there. So that 40,000 has to be keep aside. So think that first you have to save the money and then go for other expenses. So first 1 lakh rupee has been written, then immediately 10,000 has to be keep in another account where you don't have, if you have a account and it is not reachable to you. So suppose you have an account in HDFC Bank or an ICICI Bank or an Axis Bank, so or an SBI, State Bank of India. So suppose your salary is crediting in HDFC Bank, so you have another account in SBI or Axis Bank, just transfer the 10,000 rupees, 10% of the amount to Axis or SBI account where you have another account, but you are not using that account for a long time. And also that particular ATM don't keep with you. Keep that ATM in your almaras and don't touch the ATM unless in any emergency. Every month you have to keep aside this 10,000 rupees if you are generating an income 1 lakh means. So basing on that 10% of the income you have to keep aside and see the magic of the total that emergency fund after 1 year. Suppose if you have saved 10,000 rupees every month means 1 lakh 20,000 per year it will come. So after completion of 1 lakh 20,000 rupees in a year, you just invest that amount for your purpose in where the interests are getting more, like mutual funds or SAPs or any real estate purpose, anything something. So if it is better, suppose you are earning 5 lakhs rupees, 10%, or if you are 2 lakhs rupees, 10%. So concentrate on that particular area so that definitely you can able to have a fruitful life, fruitful habits, in a life for budgeting. So everybody want money, everybody have to be rich, and everybody need to generate the income in a right way. So please concentrate and have a habit of generating the income for other source, and try to save the money what we are earning in a monthly basis, whether it is salary person or a business person. If you are getting every month, you just have a journal and have a plan and write down all the expenses, and keep aside about 10% of the amount what you are on, and see that magic. But only I'll see that whatsoever the expenses will be there, first thing that you should not use your credit cards. So credit card is the major rivalry of us. So please concentrate and have a habit. So I think it is useful for you about budgeting. These are just the basics I have given. So if you want like this more informations about wealth and personality, and you want to change your life for fruitful in the next level, to the next level, go and join my VIP Facebook group and download my free PDF by providing your credentials like email ID, so that it will be useful for enrich your financial position to the next level. So everybody having a knowledge about income and budgeting, but nobody is try to execute in life. Everybody want to be rich, everybody want to have a sufficient balances in the accounts, whatsoever bank you have, but nobody is thinking that how we need to manage that money. That is a major problem in a life. So concentrate on those areas. Thank you.